2025.3 introduces new features for forms, reports, TMS Web, and more. In 2025.2, we introduced report links in forms. Now, you can embed those reports in forms, putting key insights right where they belong. Over in the Reports section, you can now define dynamic values like today or the start of the year for conditions and parameters. Check out the new Join Event dialog, where schedulers can select an event and view key details like project name, event name, and start/end time. Over in TMS Web, you can use advanced filters to spotlight the right info fast. For projects in TMS Web, you can now manage staffing with greater speed and confidence using booking. You can expand on booking's functionality using contingents. With contingents, reserve a portion of available seats for specific cost centers and organizations. For more information on the 2025.3 features, visit your Mint Online help.